So today we'll be making a DIY rose bouquet as a table arrangement for a wedding, birthday party or any other event. So all you need is a glass, a clear glass, preferably a wine glass, and it should have a wide base so it's more stable and it won't topple over. So you could avoid a champagne glass since it has a very narrow base. And next you will require foam. This is from recycled carpet foam, and I've layered it and fevicol it together and cut it. So this you can reuse several times, so it's better for the environment than a green oasis. And plus you can use a double-sided tape and later stick the base to the glass. So this is a much better option. Okay, then we will require several roses, artificial roses that almost seem natural. Since they look nice and they don't wilt during the event or just before the event, so they stay fresh. And if you want it to, they look very natural, so you can spray a bit of citrus fragrance, so they even smell real. So I think this is nice since you can use them over and over again, and they look really bright and attractive for the day. So let us start. Oh yes, and then of course we need a gold spray. You can easily get this at a florist or maybe a stationery shop. This is around 150 rupees. So it's got a lot inside, so you can spray a lot. Now, first, all you have to do is take a bit of black tape. Take a bit of black tape and hold the glass towards you and wrap the base with the black tape in a straight line. Yeah. Make sure it's straight and it meets the other end seamlessly. Yeah. So that's done. Cut this end out. Tape it, and then put everything aside. Make sure the gold doesn't spray on everything. Okay, and then keep things at a distance. Keep the flowers away so they don't get double sprayed. Shake the can a bit and then start spraying. Turn the paper around, avoid touching the glass too much. You don't need to spray the top too much because it's going to get covered. So this is it. Yeah, that looks like enough. And let it dry for 5 minutes or so. It dries really fast, so it's easy. So after then let's leave it to dry. In the meanwhile, this is sprayed and dried. So all you have to do is then remove the black tape off the glass. Slowly. Yeah. Slowly. Once that's done, you will get something like this with a clear glass detailing to give it more character and break the monotony of the gold. And then all you have to do is take the bouquet. Okay. Then all you have to do is take foam and place the artificial flowers into it, one by one. 2, 3, 4. Placing into it, and then continue with the bottom. Once that's done, you will get something like this. something like this. This is the top, and add one layer on the bottom. So you need approximately 10 flowers for each bouquet. 10 flowers, 4 on the top, 6 below, and then you can add a bit of ribbon, gold ribbon, to match the gold on the glass. And then after, all you have to do is take double-sided tape, cut a bit of it, take another one, cut a bit of it, and sellotape the base. Tape the base, gently peel the base and gently peel. If you don't have double-sided tape, maybe you can use Fevicol also, or you can use a regular sellotape, just double it, and you can use it like a double-sided tape. And then take the glass and place it at the bottom this way, and then you have another one. Yeah. So this is the final product. These are simple and these won't topple over, and they look elegant, simple, and are quite sturdy. So you can use them over and over again, and you can replace flowers on the top with maybe white, depending on your theme. For this event we have peach and pinkish deep pink, so this goes with it. And this is I've made this placard, so you can add something like this, to customize the event. So this, all you have to do is push it into the foam. And so the end product looks something like this. Okay, so this is the DIY. I hope you enjoyed it.